These are hundreds of thousands of drivers who've discovered that fixing up a classic truck makes more financial sense than buying new. With the average full-size pickup now costing $66,386, smart buyers are turning to restoration projects that cost $40,000 to $60,000 and actually appreciate in value. You're witnessing the restoration revolution that's transforming how Americans think about trucks. While dealerships push $80,000 luxury pickups, a growing movement of enthusiasts, celebrities, and practical drivers are breathing new life into vintage Ford F-100s and Chevy C10s. This isn't just nostalgia driving the trend. It's cold, hard economics combined with a hunger for authenticity in an increasingly disposable world. The numbers tell a stunning story. The automotive restoration market hit $2.09 billion in 2024 and is projected to reach nearly $7 billion by 2032. Classic truck values have surged 20% over the past 5 years, with some models like the Jeep Comanche more than doubling in value from $8,520 to $18,660 in just 12 months. Vintage Chevy pickups have appreciated 33% in 3 years, while classic Dodge Power Wagons have climbed 34%. Here's what makes this revolution particularly compelling. It's not just collectors driving this trend. Real people are choosing restoration over new purchases because the math finally makes sense. Consider the shocking reality of new truck pricing. The average transaction price for a full-size pickup hit $64,790 in 2024, with premium models like the Ram 1500. Tungsten commanding $87,075. Even the basic Ford F-150 starts at $38,810, but 5 of 8 trim levels now exceed $65,000 once mandatory fees get added. Ram CEO Tim Kuniskis admitted he can't afford to build cheaper trucks without losing money, a statement that sparked internet outrage over corporate greed. This pricing crisis has created an unexpected opportunity. A solid restoration candidate for a classic Chevy C10 can be found for around $20,000, significantly less than the current market average of $20,000 for finished examples. Add a comprehensive restoration budget of $40,000 to $60,000, and you're still well below the cost of a new premium pickup. Except now you own something that appreciates rather than depreciates. The restoration process itself has never been more accessible. Companies like Classic Industries and LMC Truck have revolutionized parts availability. McKeel Hagerty from Hagerty Insurance explains the appeal perfectly. They're so easy to work on. The ability to really create an almost competition-level restoration on one of these is a lot cheaper than doing it on a Maserati. For the Chevy C10, the most popular restoration target from the 1967 to 1972. Action line generation, almost every single component gets reproduced and readily available, including body panels and frame components. This parts paradise means restoration shops across the Prairie States report growing wait lists and increased appetite for mid-century classics. The labor economics tell an interesting story too. While established restoration shops charge around $125 per hour nationally, ranging from $85 to $225 depending on location and reputation. A mild cosmetic refresh and light mechanical overhaul typically requires 800 to 1,000 hours. That's $100,000 to $125,000 in professional labor alone, which explains why many enthusiasts are taking the DIY route. Matt Dudley spent 4.5 years working alongside his father Jesse to build a 1958 Ford F-100. His advice? Be extremely patient, budget 4 times more than you think you'll need, and find a dad who's super talented. This father-son element has become a defining characteristic of the restoration movement, with families bonding over mechanical heritage while preserving automotive history. Celebrity endorsement has added unexpected momentum. Travis Barker, the Blink 182 drummer, recently showcased his Velocity Heritage Series 1970 Chevy K5 Blazer on Instagram. Post Malone partnered with Velocity Restorations to customize two classic Ford trucks. Sydney Sweeney documents her 1969 Ford Bronco restoration journey on TikTok's Sid's Garage, proving she's not afraid of getting her hands dirty. Tim Allen owns a custom 1956 Ford F100, while Channing Tatum rolls in a vintage Chevrolet 3100 worth about $50,000. Even Jay Leno, despite his vast collection focusing on rare exotics, owns a mint green Restamod 1967 Chevy C. This celebrity credibility signals that classic truck ownership has transcended traditional blue-collar stereotypes. But here's the most fascinating development: the electric vehicle conversion trend. Companies like Zero Labs and Foremost EV are transforming classic trucks into high-performance electric vehicles. A converted 1960 Ford F100 can now deliver 260 horsepower, 692 lb-ft of torque, and 180-200-mile range from a 78 kilowatt-hour battery. As Zero Labs explains, our customers consistently feel that new electric vehicles have no soul, no personal history. Vehicles converted on our platforms are upgradable and built to last decades. This creates an intriguing paradox. Classic truck owners can maintain vintage aesthetics while achieving modern performance and environmental responsibility. ECC, the world's largest classic car-to-electric converter, has developed modular EV skateboard chassis specifically for vintage pickups and SUVs, featuring digital telematics, Level 3 DC fast charging, and controllable air ride suspension. The restoration shop landscape has become consolidated significantly. In 2024 alone, Holley Performance acquired Classic Performance Products, Real Steel Muscle Car Parts merged with National Parts Depot, and LMC Truck expanded into European Classics. This consolidation has improved parts availability and technical support for restoration projects. Velocity Restorations has emerged as an industry leader, becoming the first shop to successfully integrate Ford's Gen 4X 5.0-liter Coyote V8 into a Restamod. Their Street Series Chevy C10 transformation uses a Roadster shop-spec chassis with 455 horsepower, 6.2-liter LT1 V8, independent front suspension, 4-link rear setup, adjustable coilovers, and 4-wheel disc brakes. This demonstrates how modern technology can enhance classic aesthetics without compromising authenticity. The cultural significance runs deeper than economics. Classic trucks like the Chevy CK and Ford F-Series formed the backbone of working-class America. They were primarily used by farmers, tradesmen, and ranchers. Today's restorations often become tributes to family heritage, with grandsons restoring grandfather's work trucks to preserve working history. This represents a bold statement against disposable culture. An urban restorer spending months bringing a 1972 Chevrolet C10 back to life creates a conversation piece that stands out among cookie-cutter SUVs. The restoration becomes both personal satisfaction and cultural preservation. The movement faces legitimate challenges, though. Safety concerns remain valid. Older trucks lack modern features like airbags, anti-lock braking systems, or disc brakes. A beautifully restored 1960s model may struggle during emergencies, with drum brakes failing to stop efficiently on wet highways and manual suspension systems causing poor high-speed handling. Investment expectations require a realistic assessment. Unless you own an extremely rare, high-value vehicle, it's unlikely you'll recoup total restoration costs. A paint job or engine rebuild alone often exceeds the finished vehicle's overall value. But monetary return isn't the only consideration. many find immense satisfaction in bringing classics back to life while preserving automotive history. The timeline tells the complete story. Ford produced F-100s from 1948 to 1983 across 7 generations. Chevy's beloved CK Action line ran from 1967 to 1972. Steel and aluminum tariffs beginning in 2018 started affecting automotive costs, while vehicle prices rose 21.43% between 2019 and 2025. GM introduced Electric Connect and Cruise Kits for classics in 2021, and by December 2024, the average new full-size pickup hit $66,386. This restoration revolution represents more than automotive enthusiasm. It's a practical response to pricing out Middle America, combined with a desire for authentic, maintainable transportation. As Craig Jackson from Barrett-Jackson notes, Barrett-Jackson has always been a marker for collector car trends, and this year we experienced the growing fascination with pickup trucks. Smart drivers have discovered that fixing classic trucks isn't just emotionally rewarding, it's financially intelligent. In a world of $80,000 disposable vehicles, a $60,000 restoration that appreciates in value while providing decades of satisfaction suddenly looks like the smartest decision on 4 wheels.